Hi everyone, my name is Erin and I'm from Old Town Library, and today I'm highlighting one of the library's newest gadgets for checkout, the Jetpack MiFi Hotspot. This hotspot is a great tool because it allows people to connect to the internet wherever they are. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up and start the hotspot. A hotspot is like a mini version of Wi-Fi. It lets you connect your smartphone, tablet, or internet device and be routed to the internet. You can find the hotspot through the library catalog with the keyword search for hotspot, and you will see several available at all 3 library locations. Hotspots can be requested by placing a hold in the library catalog and by using your library card number. You also have the option to call the library's main phone number and they will set up a hold request for you. Hotspots are a great option for students who are trying to connect to online classes, job hunters who need to fill out online applications, or anyone who wants to use the library online services to connect to programs, books, movies, and music. When you check out a hotspot, you will find the main device and a power cord inside the case, along with directions posted on the back of the case. On the directions, you will see the network name and password listed in case you need them when connecting your device. To turn on the hotspot, first connect the power cord and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Once you've powered up the hotspot, you'll need to connect your device. On your device, look for a settings feature and then go to the Wi-Fi command. You should see a listing for Poudre River Library District. Select the library and your device should be connected. It takes only a few minutes to get an internet connection using the hotspot. Once you're done with your hotspot, you can power down by pressing the power button for 3 seconds and then selecting Exit. Remember to keep checking back to the library's Gadgets and Things collection to find more new tech items.